Have you ever stopped to think about how much English loves the suffix ing? Whether you're chatting with your friend, you're binge watching your favorite show, or just thinking, it's everywhere. But have you ever wondered why? Or what if there was no ing in English? Let's dig into one of the most quirkiest and essential parts of language. So what does ing actually do? It's a jack of all trades in English, and it can turn verbs into nouns and also into adjectives. Pretty cool, right? But where did this magical little suffix come from? Way back in Old English, we didn't have just one ing. Nope. Actually, there were two separate suffixes for that job. One to make nouns out of verbs, ing and ung, and another one for adjectives. Let's meet ende. Life was a bit more complicated back then. Take a look at these beautiful examples. Hailing as healing in today's language. Layering as teaching in today's language. Sporung as tracking in today's language. Now check out the suffix ende for adjectives. Heilende as healing. Lehrende and sporende. Isn't this a bit like German? Let's take it back to the Proto-Germanic days. The noun forming ing comes from a Proto-Germanic root inga and ungo. You can still see these in modern German, like sprechend or Verpackung, meaning packaging. What about the adjective forming ing? That's a whole another story. It actually comes from a Proto-Germanic root, which is ans, which goes back further to Proto-Indo-European. Basically, ing connects English to languages like Latin and ancient Greek. How cool is that? Look at speaking in English and sprechen in German. They pretty look like similar, right? That's because they share a common linguistic ancestor. Here is where things get interesting. During the Middle English 1500s, these suffixes started to blend. Over time, they merged into one ing. Why? Because English language loves to simplify. And this merger made things super easy for speakers. Check out these examples. We were swimming. Swimming is fun. There is no unga bunga in these words. So why should you care about ing? It's actually beyond a suffix. It's a time capsule of English history. It shows how English evolved, simplifying where it can while still holding on to its rich, complicated history. Next time you use ing, take a second to think about the journey it's been on. From the Proto-Germanic roots to the English we speak today, it is 1,000 years of history packed into 3 little letters, ing. So if you find it fascinating, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more deep dives into the quirkiest parts of English. Peace out!